Hi, hello guys, it's me again. This is a sesame lock. It's comboed. Excuse me. See, it doesn't open. What I do, and I don't know if it'll work for anybody else. I usually leave it on the 6, and for some reason it tends to work on me. I got all the rest zeroed out. And on this lock, I'm using again this Peterson. And I'm using this beveled edge, you can see it, down. Now, we stick it in this first tumbler where this S for the sesame is go to this first tumbler on the inside. And it takes a little bit of practice. And forgive me, I'm still kind of new at this stuff. There it is. Open here. Alright guys, if you need any help, let me know. My email is dontonail@yahoo.com. Thanks.